Hello everyone, this is Aparupa. I'm going to present a short poem written by me about harmony with nature. So it goes like nature's seasoning. I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoyed writing it. Nature's seasonings. The sun is shining over me, with the seed in my hand who wants to dive in. Dive in, where lies its home? A home we call it our earth. Ether, in an array of solace, drizzles its finest for the soul sprouting. With this essence of life, forges the inner peace. With these seasonings of nature, won't its life be exquisite? The sun shines over me with a tiny hope of giving me a lesson to shine brighter like him. The tiny soul of the seed teaches me well to be fearless, to grow through life's heavy stones. Ether shows me a way to bestow my love to those in need. If only I nurse my life with these seasonings of nature, won't our lives be exquisite?